center is coming up, and he said, Swamiji, when you go for donation or any contribute, people say, you Chinmay mission people are always asking me. What to do? This type of thing also they come and ask. Please no, they don't ask you only, they ask me also. Because I am the biggest asker. So I tell them, it is true that I am asking and always asking. And let me tell you, I will ask, keep on asking. But please know, I may ask, but to give or not to give is your freedom. But you can't stop me from asking. Correct? So therefore don't feel anything, I say, I am not coming to you with a gun in my hand. I don't have any gun. I have a slogan. What is the slogan? Our Gurudev has given, you change, that is the slogan. We can, we must, that is the slogan. Like Vivekananda had, awake, arise, stop not till the Guru. So we have got only slogan, हम सन्यासी लोग हैं, gun कहाँ है? So what you ask is one thing, to give or not to give is your freedom. And secondly, are we asking anything to build for ourselves or personal use? Just think. When all this is built, am I going to stay here? Or any one of you are going to say, you have got your beautiful houses and everything else, so you are not going to come and stay. But it is built for what? You yourself, not that you don't, it's not that you want only children, or you want good children, right? True or not? How your children become good? So then actually, what Chinmay Mission, you think is something different from you. From you only that all the members have come in Chinmay Mission here. Are you doing work only for your own spiritual growth, and your children only are going to study here, then you are giving to whom? Think about it. We are not asking donation only just to build and maintain this building. The inaugural day also has said it is to build our life. That's what this is there, this facility there. So when we also go at approach, we should also become very clear. We are not beggars. Sannyasis are not beggars. Even though they may beg, they are called Maharaj. Swamiji Maharaj. Beggar is one who is begging for himself. Here, actually, we are giving a chance to you, other person, to serve a noble cause. So what is it to hesitate? And whatever one wants to give, he will give. Even to give if you are not forcing, or how much that also is not forcing. So why should you worry? So even those who when approach them, don't be shy or don't be afraid. At the moment he will say, most will say no. I can't give. Somebody may say, this time I cannot give, but some other time I can. A variety of experiences you will get. Somebody may say, get out. But you were there to get out only, you were not there to sit there anyway. You say, thank you, I was not going to sit here anyway. So the point is, for Bhagwan's work we are doing. So therefore this also question generally is asked, that every time they are asked. And one man was wonderful, he was saying, all these people all the time coming to me asking for money. Not that I give them, but they keep coming and asking, where is it? So you are not giving anyway, so what is the problem? So we ask, and my philosophy is, first thing is I am not asking for myself, so why should I worry? And at the most he will say no. And suppose I have got $1, and if he gives one more, so I will have $2. But if he doesn't give, I will not lose my $1 which is there anyway. So therefore, what I have got, that will not be lost. Arey Baba, मैं तो कहता हूँ, you go and do your work. Administration is part of it, raising fund. Fundraising is a daily job. Every day, we have to keep on speaking and ask people to come here. Now, I will tell you a simple method. Now, each family sitting here, you will be having definitely some family function. So one or the other function. And when there is such a family, you invite people or not. So tell me approximately, suppose your son's wedding is there, daughter's wedding is there, how many people you will invite? Average? 100? 100, correct? That means you know 100 families. Correct? Because if you are inviting 100, that means you know 100. Correct? Of those 100, at least 10 families must be such that you have close relations. Because so many other ways are there. But 10, you see, I am very, very conservative. That you have got 10 such people whom you are very closely related. Out of that 10, 5 are your such friends that if you tell them, because you are telling they will do something. So suppose those 5 members, they don't know Chinmay Mission, but they know you. So you say, Chinmay Mission is doing such a thing, you should also do something. They may say, I don't know Chinmay Mission, but I know you, and that's for it. If you are saying, at least such 5 are there or not out of that 100. If you say you don't have even 5, there's something wrong with them or something wrong with you. So now, suppose now we have 100 members here, right? 100. And so each one knows 5. So how many? 500 definitely you know. You see, I have done all calculations. If it is India, then I think average 300 they will. So then, 500 always you have got. And then what I say, you should not only just ask them money. Don't say I want money from you. I want you to come. And come to this place. See for yourself what work that is being done there. You understand? And you participate. Don't give anything immediately, you know. You just come and see, and then if you think it is good, then only you. That is that you can do. You see the difference happening. that is how it will be maintained and nothing to worry. Okay. Now I want to tell you something different. Now this is an endless topic, it will go on. But now what we are going to do for our Gurudev's birth centenary year, that I want to tell you. Number one, see, we are teaching Advaita Vedanta, and that is our foundation. In Rishikesh, Hardwar, Uttarkashi, Himalayas, there are some Mahatmas, sannyasis. They have formed a mandali. They have got their own ashrams and all that, that's all right, they teach. But they are very devoted to Bhagavan Shankaracharya. So they have evolved a beautiful program called Shankar Bhashya Parayanam. Just as you do Gita Parayanam, entire Bhagavad Gita, you just recite. Or Vishnu Sahasranam and Akhanda Ram, Tulsi Ramayana and all that. So what they do, in 12 days, they read Shankaracharya's Bhashya, original Sanskrit. Okay? So there different sessions are there and the groups are there. Actually, the 100 of them will come. Will come and they do this means Bhashya on Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Sutra, that is it. Okay? That's called Shankar Bhashya Parayanam. And in the evening, there is one satsang on some topic. They speak in Hindi or English, other different Mahatmas. The first such Parayan they had done in our Shankar, Adi Shankar Lila in Kori, Kerala. But it was not organized by us. They only organized it, but they wanted to do it there. But this year, I have invited them to our ashram there, Pune, in Kolwan Chinmay Murti ashram. So 100 Mahatmas will come. Then others also, our missions, also Brahmachari Swami, they also will be there. And even some householders who want to attend and they also are welcome. So it is from 15th November to 28th November this year. Okay? So they will read only this Bhashya. And I said, you know, to give and offer Bhiksha to Mahatma is great thing. So if anyone wants to offer Bhiksha, no, I have kept only 25,000 rupees for whole day of that, for all of them. Okay? So in dollars, it will be, I don't know how many, $250 or something. I don't know. But if you want to offer, it is not that you have to be present there, but in your name it will be offered. So you can do that, number one. If you yourself can come there attend, that's also very good.
It's 460.
460. Immediately ship. Okay, that's right. But you can give more also, or less also, whatever you can give for that particular thing. And then you can give here, and then it can be transferred there. Okay, that is one thing. But now I will tell you about Puja Gurudev's birth centenary. We are starting from 8th May 2015, okay, to 16. Now, the main first 3 days program we are going to have in Ernakulam where he was born. So 6, 7, 8 May, 3 days program will be there. And then we'll light a Jyoti called Chinmay Jyoti. Okay? And that Chinmay Jyoti will travel throughout India. For that we'll have to make a big float. Whole bus we'll have to buy and then modify that so that all our books exhibition and everything can be there. So 2 more vans also will be there. And it will travel for 237 days. I don't know, so many thousands of kilometers that will travel. So when it starts from there, and it will be like a relay. So from the Kerala, when it go to Tamil Nadu, other or people will take over. They will go. Like that it will go in the month of October, it will reach Siddhavadi. And place to place it may halt wherever such arrangement is there. Okay? And satsang, etc. will be there. So prachar also will go on. In India there are so many languages also there. And then in October it will reach Siddhavadi. From there it will travel and go to Chinmay Vibhuti in December, last week of December. And there we keep there in Ganesh temple there, permanent Jyoti. Now what is going on there, it is fine, but we have one called lamp called Om lamp, Gurudev's sign, signature Om, I don't know whether you have here. Oh, here it is, very good. In different sizes, very small, medium size, bigger size. So you should also have that lamp and you can light that lamp, and we want lamp Om in every home. So all our members should, so they also should light that lamp that day and all that. And keep in their house. Every day you do puja. So therefore that lamp also will remind you of that. So this is called Chinmay Jyoti Yatra. It will go. So I have said somebody can sponsor for one day, 1 lakh of rupees. So that 237 days it will be there. So there are so many ways we have to also raise, because all these things, buying and continuous maintaining and everything is there. That will do. So this is Jyoti Yatra. You can also have that lamp Om in every home. That is another thing. For children, we are having Gita chanting competition, and its title is Chant Gita and Chant Krishna. And next year the competition will be on chapter 15th. But 2015 coming, and then in India every year they go on one chapter, that has been going on. So this year in India, different places they are having competition on 14th chapter. So next year it will be 15th chapter. And then we will have final round in Chinmay Vibhuti. You also know that we are bringing out a series of Mananam books, so that, it will give you complete idea of with the Gurudev's life, work, teaching, vision, everything. So the first book was on He Did It. You know that? I don't know whether later on you are keeping the track or not. The second book came out, Vedanta. Third was Unto Research. Like these books are there. Research work. Then the fourth was on education. Then fifth was the Bal Vihar. Then sixth was the study group. Then seventh book recently came on Yuva Kendra. Youth Alone Can. So these books should be there, and all our mission members, and we should have the whole set. 5 more books are supposed to come. They will come. Not supposed to, yet to come. They will come. So already work is going on. On Vanaprastha movement, then again publication, sadhana, etc. Other topics are there. And our rural development work, all these topics will be dealt with in different groups. So that also we brought as a part of our Gurudev's centenary series. So that also we should have. Then, very soon we are going to have a CMW or board meeting in Washington here in July. So we are thinking, Chinmay Jyoti Yatra, the way in India it is done, may not be possible here, but in different way, what we can do, that we are thinking. And so I don't have to say anything when nothing is decided and all those things. But that also will be discussed. And but you know, this country is too big, you know, number one. And you can't take a float like that and go. It's not possible. But what is possible, we'll think about it. Then let you know. Huh? But all said and done, every individual center is free to chart out their own program within your resources and time and facilities available and all that, and in-house all the resources that are there. You can also think in which way you can celebrate this Gurudev's birth centenary. But the main thing is, his message must reach larger number of people. If that you can keep in mind and do, it will be wonderful. You understand? You don't have to call a Bollywood dancer here and use a orchestra here or anything. How that will reach, that what you call the literature will reach. The literature, how that literature will reach. And his message will reach. Maximum number. That's what I would think. So I told you in November. Then I told you about Gurudev's birth centenary, what we are going to do, what is already going on. I have mentioned to you. Now, you please subscribe to Tapon Prasad. Also, please keep, seeing our internet. Because so much information that what I have found, people check their email, personal emails 20 times a day. But anything, when we say Chinmay Mission or what is that internet we are, programs we are doing and all that, then nobody just checks all that. Then you say there is a Facebook. Oh, there is a Facebook. I didn't face it. But there is a Facebook, this, that, that's so much. Because these are the only communication channels, So, if you subscribe to that Tapon Prasad, if you see that, then you will know all things are being planned and we are going to do. Okay, now I have said, you asked some question, then I have replied in principle and in particular about with reference to this. Now, chalo maybe 5 minutes more if anybody wants to ask. Then we have lunch already at 12:35. Anyone wants to ask anything? Or I have answered. I have answered your question, what you asked. Good. I am satisfied that you are satisfied. Because generally when people ask me questions, other questions maybe, but I tell I will answer to my satisfaction. If you are not satisfied, then it is your problem, not my problem. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in the evening.